Hello class! Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Alan Shane at your service. So thank you so much class for choosing our video tutorial for you to be able to learn more about accounting. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also watch other videos uploaded and be updated to the coming videos to be uploaded soon. Okay, so let's now start. Our topic for today is all about basic accounting equation. The question is, what is the basic accounting equation? At all times, the assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. That assets should be balanced to liabilities and owner's equity. That is why the basic accounting equation is, ulit-ulitin natin para hindi natin makalimutan, assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Okay, so now because we already know the basic accounting equation, let's proceed to the examples given. Example number 1. If company A has assets of 760,000 and liabilities of 360,000, then the owner's equity of company A should be 400,000. Why? Because from the equation, assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So let's now check if these numbers below are balanced with the assets to the liabilities and equity. So we should expect that liabilities and owner's equity is the same with the total assets. So 360,000 plus 400,000 is equal to 760,000. That is why example number 3 is balance. Okay, next example. So we have to identify the missing values. If company A has assets of 850,000, then and an owner's equity of 582,000. Now let's find the missing value. The missing value of liabilities. So we have to go back with our basic accounting equation, which is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So, given na si assets, given na si owner's equity, so kailangan natin hanapin si liabilities. In order for us to find the liabilities, so we can also use liabilities is equal to assets minus owner's equity. Okay. Liabilities is equal to assets minus owner's equity. That is why in example number 2, in order to find the value of liabilities, we have to deduct the owner's equity from the assets. So, 850,000 less 582,000 owner's equity, 850,000 asset less 582,000. So, the total liabilities is 268,000 ang liabilities. So, now, let's check if it is balanced. Paano natin i-check? 268,000 plus 582,000. So, the answer is 850,000. And 850,000 is balanced with the assets of 850,000. That is why, okay na si number 2. Tama ang value ng ating liabilities. Next, number 3. The liabilities is given, which is 100,000, and the owner's equity is given, which is 500,000. Now, let's find the value of the assets. So, go back again to our accounting equation, which is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. To find the asset, so asset is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So, we have to add the liabilities and owner's equity. So, 100,000 plus 500,000 is equal to 600,000. So, the total assets in example number 3 is 600,000. So, balance ba? Okay, how are we going to check if it is balance? So, 100,000 plus 500,000 is equal to 600,000. That is why example number 3 is balance and correct ang ating value ng assets. Okay, next, example number 4. We have given asset of 626,600 and a given liability of 376,000. Now, let's find the value of the owner's equity. Okay, let's now go back to our basic accounting equation, which is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. In problem number 4, we have to find the value of owner's equity. So, owner's equity is equal to what? Asset minus liabilities. Okay ha, remember that one. In order for us to find the owner's equity in using the accounting equation, so owner's equity should be assets minus liabilities. Okay, so asset na 626,600 less the liabilities of 376,000. So, the total owner's equity is 250,600. So, paano natin malaman if the value of the owner's equity is correct? So, owner's equity of 250,000 plus the liabilities of 376,000. So, it is equal to 626,600 na assets. That is why our value for owner's equity is correct because it is balanced. Okay, so next example number 5. In example number 5, so liabilities is given, which is 800,000. The owner's equity is also given, but it has a parenthesis. Ibig sabihin, the owner's equity is in a negative value. So, negative value, basta if may open and close parenthesis, it is a negative value. So, now, let's find out how much is the assets. So, let's go back again to our accounting equation, which is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So, we have to add the liabilities plus owner's equity. So, the liabilities is 800,000 plus negative ha. Kailangan talaga negative ang pag-add natin para tama ang ating sagot. So, negative 100,000 is equal to 700,000. That is why our asset is equal to 700,000. So, let's check if it is correct or if it is balanced. So, 800,000 plus negative 100,000 is equal to 700,000. So, asset is balanced with the liabilities plus owner's equity. So again always remember that the basic accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. So if we have to find the missing amount, remember lang the accounting equation because dito lang umiikot or dito lang natin malalaman how to solve those or how to get the value of those missing amounts. You can also use this one, and this 3 is coming from the accounting equation. So, dito rin ito galing sa accounting equation. Liabilities is equal to assets less owner's equity. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity, and owner's equity is equal to assets minus liabilities. Ito siya is gitranspose lang natin in order for us to find the value of the liabilities, assets, and owner's equity. So, that's it for our discussion about the basic accounting equation. And always remember the equation because it is the foundation also in our accounting. So, thank you so much, class, and don't forget to subscribe and abang-abang lang sa ating next videos about accounting. So, thank you so much, class. God bless.